Have you been watching and waiting for the new soundbar series from Klipsch? Or do you just need to buy one and are wondering if this one is right for you? Well, whatever the case, make sure to stick around because we're gonna give you the scoop. Hey guys, it's Kate with Abt, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Flexus Core 100 soundbar, a component of Klipsch's newly released Flexus sound system. Now right off the bat, the first thing to notice is that this soundbar is on the smaller side with a height of 3 inches, a width of 28 inches, and a depth of 5 inches. It also weighs about 10 pounds. So just for the sake of proportions, this is going to be better for a TV that's on the smaller side, but that doesn't mean that you're going to get a small sound. And price-wise, the size can definitely be an asset since the 100 is cheaper than its bigger sister soundbar, the Flexus Core 200. So let's talk about what you get for your money. The soundbar itself has 2.1 channels and is constructed out of high-quality wood, plastic, metal, and cloth, with a sleek black finish. It features two 2¼ inch aluminum cone drivers and two 4-inch high-output paper cone subwoofers. Also, Klipsch really wants you to know that the Flexus Core 100 has Dolby Atmos spatial audio, and for good reason, since that's been taking at-home audio quality to the next level. To help ensure said quality, Klipsch has teamed up with electronics company Onkyo, specifically for their sound expertise in crafting the Flexus system. They claim that the sound system has passed over 1,000 rigorous audio performance tests, so this collaboration definitely isn't something they're taking lightly. But if the soundbar alone isn't enough for you, the design gives you the option to expand with another subwoofer and/or additional speakers for a true surround sound experience. That being said, it's important to note that because the Flexus Core 100 doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, you're going to be restricted to sound from the system it's connected to. So if you're looking for multi-room audio, this might not be the way to go. It does feature Bluetooth connectivity, but you don't have support for features like Apple AirPlay and Google Cast, again because of the lack of Wi-Fi. Now that I've gone over the ways you can't use this soundbar, let's look at the ways you can, as illustrated by the ports on the back. Here you have a power cable port as well as an HDMI eARC input, which is the connection method it was primarily designed for. Both the power cord and the HDMI cable come already included with your purchase. Then there's an infrared sensor port as well as USB-C and an optical port. While you have the option to connect over optical, I would keep in mind that this method doesn't support spatial audio and has a lower maximum bitrate, so you might not be getting the most out of your experience. Next to that, we have a subwoofer output, a Flexus transmitter port, and finally the pairing button. Now there are 3 different ways to control this soundbar, the first being via the touch-sensitive buttons on the right side of the product itself. These are for more basic operations like power, input, and volume control. The next way is by using the included Flexus remote, which offers a lot more options for customizing your soundbar. You have a power button, a button to dim or brighten the soundbar's LEDs, volume control, a play-pause button, a TV button, which selects the HDMI eARC input, a digital button, which selects the optical input, and a Bluetooth source selection button. There's also quite a few buttons to change between different levels and modes. You have a sound mode button, which you can use to select movies or music, depending on which one you're listening to, a dialogue boost button, which will enhance the sound of voices, and night mode, which neutralizes sound for clarity at a low volume level, especially useful for watching TV while others are asleep. Then finally, you have these 2 bottom buttons for adjusting the surround sound and the bass level. The third way of controlling the soundbar is via the Klipsch Connect Plus app, which you can use as a digital remote. Great for when you can't find the actual Flexus remote or if you're just too lazy to get up and get it. No judgment here. You can also use the app as an equalizer for channel control and for tech support should you need it. Although if you purchase from Abt, our experts offer lifetime technical support, so do with that information what you will. Alright guys, that was our overview of the Klipsch Flexus Core 100 soundbar. This is a great option for someone who wants to enhance the sound from their TV without breaking the bank. If you're interested in checking out the other soundbar in the Flexus series, the 200, stay tuned because we've got a video on that coming out soon. For more info or to see our current pricing, just give us a call at the number below or visit us in-store or online at abt.com. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.